In this demonstration, we're going to show how to communicate with your students by adding an announcement. So the first thing you'll do is you'll click on announcement, and then you can go ahead and type whatever your message is. And you can make that as long as you want. And then you'll notice you have some things you can attach to that announcement. We can just put an attachment of a file, we can link to something in your Google Drive, we can link to a YouTube video, or we can just put on a link to a web resource. And we'll show each of those in just a second. Then you have the ability to decide which class this is going to. Well, right now I'm in Demo Class 2, but if I also want to put this same announcement in just to my normal demo class and my geography class, I can go ahead and do that. And now I don't have to do this 3 times, I can just do it once. When you're finished, you're going to go ahead and click on the Post button, and this will now be posted to your class stream. Students have the ability to comment back, but you will notice that they cannot attach anything to their comments. They simply just click post, and now you have a running stream of comments to your initial announcement. As the teacher, you do have the ability to go in, you'll have your 3 dots here, you can edit or you can delete. So if you were using this in class, even as a formative assessment piece, or you wanted to get feedback, but you wanted to clean your stream up at the end of class, you could simply just click those 3 dots and click delete. And it's going to say, are you sure you want to do this? And then your stream would be clean for the next class. So if you are using this for discussion purposes, that is one way to go ahead and clean that up. So let's show you the different things you can attach to an announcement. So we'll click on announcement here. So I'm just going to type a quick message here, and I'm going to attach a file. So in this case, it's going to go and say, where am I going to find this, whether it's in my drive or if I need to upload this from my computer. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm just going to put this graphic on here. We'll go ahead and say open. It's going to upload that on here, and now this graphic or image is now part of my post. So if I want students to look at something here, this pertains to the message, I could go ahead and do that. So I can go up here and just start typing again. So this will be message number 2. Now let's attach something that's in our Google Drive. So now you'll notice I'm in the same upload screen here, except I'm not choosing upload, I'm choosing my drive. So I'm searching my drive here, so I'm just going to attach this test item here. I'm going to go ahead and click add. Now the key thing you want to make sure is your students actually have access to that file. So you either need to put it in some sort of shared folder or make it so anybody in Rockwood can actually see the file. So that was message number 2 there. We'll go ahead and we'll say post. And now you can see here that Google Doc is attached. Now let's do one more message. We're going to do message number 3. And this time we're going to attach a YouTube video. So I could go search for the video, or if I already knew the URL of the video, I could just go ahead and paste that in there. This is really nice for if you're doing maybe some flipped classroom stuff, or you want students to actually watch this before they come into class. You can post it to the classroom, and then once you do that, it's there for them. They don't have to go find it on YouTube. You're actually directing them to the spot where you want them to go, which that can be kind of nice. And then the last announcement type, I'm going to do message number 4 here. We can simply just attach a link. And so we can either just copy and paste that link in here, or we could go ahead and type it in. So I'm just going to do 2 slashes www.google.com. So I want my students to go there. And again, with all of these, I can choose which classes these go to, just like we did with our initial announcement. I'm going to go ahead and click on post, and now you'll see that's a live link that my students can get to. So those are 4 different ways that you can attach things to an announcement. So use that to communicate with your students.